What's the guy's name? Luis. Ciao, Luis. Good luck with the girl in Toronto.
Está bien, está bien. Dime más.
Yeah, he said. There we go.
Should I put on the other one? Mine doesn't have a zipper in this thing.
Yes. Don't get up there. Yeah, don't whatever you do.
Welcome to the Piranha Suite at the Amazonia Eco Lodge. I keep pinching myself to believe it, but I am in the Amazon jungle. Double entrance to keep out the mozzies. Quick look at the bathroom, just in case you're interested. Shower. No hot water, but I believe it's tepid from the river. And this is the view out of the back window. And here is the exterior of my accommodation. Pan down, you'll see there's quite a few of them. I'll go and check out the river next. Here's the reception area. Big building over there is the dining room and bar. Here are the gardens. And we just turn round through the arch. Opposite is Monkey Island, where we're going this afternoon, obviously to see the monkeys. Here is the river, and I've just spotted over here, through the trees, place for a siesta. Load of hammocks. Might just have to try those out. Not too many insects around at the moment. Generally at floor level. Just spotted a bird. No doubt there'll be more of those later. Again, an initial explore around the eco centre. Get some of the flora and fauna. There is only electricity between 5 o'clock and 10 o'clock at night. They're only allowed to run petrol generators for that length of time. I think Miss G and her hair straighteners would have a rough time, as would Mrs Lyle and her hairdryer. Oh, and look, a swimming pool. Might just have to give that a whirl at some point. And then on this side are some more and lodges. And bungalows.
Yeah. I think it's a very nice. No, Spider-Man could have and how many is the group that when 10 after 50, 15 yeah, the Spider-Man. Well, this one is in 20, 30 months in cappuccino. It's even bigger. This is Tamarin, the smallest one here.
He's a great one.
It's an adult, eh? It's an adult. Tamarin.
Do they get along?
Tamarino. It's a adult, like full grown.
Honey, he walked right over my foot.
Did he?
And this?
Yeah.
15, I think. I thought you.
It wasn't like all the bananas. Months up there. Months is strong with that stick. It's not live, that's an apple.
Okay, another one coming down.
He distracted him by like dropping that banana.
Oh, he wants some.
Honey, look up. You'll get it too. He's
That
reaching
one
out.
is the white one, white cappuccino. White, the brown, and tamarind, the small one.
Ay, no. Mira qué maco.
You walk like a squirrel.
Oh, good cat.
Can I do?
Good goalkeeper. Yeah, I should be playing soccer. Fumble.
Season 2. Don't monkey.
Don't monkey around.
Exactly.
Monkeying about.
That's enough monkey business for today. Amigo, ven.
Big banana. Banana star.
Plantain?
Yeah.
It's plantain.
That's what I'm saying. It's sweet.
Oh, nice.
Oh, good one, buddy. Oh, wait over to that guy.
Oh, that's the baby. Look at that. The baby.
Yeah.
This one's a baby.
The baby. Oh, he wants one. Does the baby get one?
No, that one. Oh, nice.
The baby.